Hello. So, my name is Bryce Tubbs, and I believe that we deserve a seat at the table. What does that mean? I believe that we deserve to be able to call the shots in our life and to actually dictate change that we want to make. A great story about this. There was a show called King Arthur. It was a movie. Came out a couple of years ago, and the whole point of it was about when he was, a baby. His dad was the king, but he had to be shipped off because there was a great battle in the land. And all throughout his life, he knew he was destined for greatness, but he just didn't have the power to actually, make a large change and actually basically have a seat at the table. And it wasn't until the end of the movie where he was finally like conquering, battling, that they didn't actually give him a seat at the table. He had to go make his own table. That he was able to start causing change, and the original rulers had to come to him to ask for permission to do, whatever they wanted to do. It's the same thing with us, right? We have to be able to continuously move forward and create our own table so that we can start calling the shots in our life. If that's something that you've been searching for, I recommend you check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where we talk about step by step how to move forward and get that seat at the table that I believe you deserve and I believe that you are looking for. If that interests you, go check that out. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you later, and sayonara.